Hi there, I'm Volha. In this video, I'll show you how to create a database in Notion. We'll build two examples, tasks and project databases. Let's get started. So, first thing first, let's create a database. A database can be added with the slash command or the plus sign. Type /table. You'll see the options for table view. Select that and New Table. Now, let's build our tasks database. To add properties, click the plus button and choose the types of properties you need. First, select person. This will allow us to assign tasks to specific people. Next, let's add the status property. By default, you'll have options like Not Started, In Progress, and Done. Then, for the priority property, choose Select. Rename it to Priority and add the following options: High, Medium, and Low. You can even pick different colors for each property. For dates, simply add the date property twice. Rename the first one to Start Date and the second one to End Date. Now that the database is ready, let's add a few tasks to see it in action. Start with the first row. Click on the first cell in the name column and type Prepare Project Proposal. Assign to a person. In the person column, click the cell and choose a person from the list. I will select John Miller. To see more names in the list besides just your own, you'll need to share access to this page or database. If you're unsure how to do that, check out the video linked in the description. Set the status. Click in the status column and choose In Progress from the drop-down menu. Set the priority. Go to the priority column and pick High. Add the started and dates. Click in the Start Date column and select November 22nd from the calendar. Then, in the End Date column, pick November 27th. Now, let's add some more example tasks. Add the second task, Create wireframes. Add the third task, Approve Design. Enter Collect Financial Data. Add the fifth task, Draft Quarterly Summary. Add the sixth task, Enter Finalize Presentation in the name column. Your task database is ready. Now, let's move on to the project database. Just like before, type /table and choose Table View. Name this new database Projects. Let's set up the properties for the Projects database. Activity code. Add a text property and name it Activity Code. Here you can add unique identifiers like project codes. Due date. Add a date property to track the deadlines for each project. Priority. Add a select property. Rename it Priority and use the same options as before: High, Medium, Low. Status. Select the property type called Status. You can also add Planning and In Hold. Type. Add a select property called Type. Then add the following options: client-based, internal, internal social, internal email, owner. Add a person property to assign an owner to each project. Now, let's add a few sample projects. First project. Name: website redesign. Activity code: WSR001. Due date: priority: high. Status: in progress. Type: client-based. Owner: John Miller. Second project. Name: quarterly report. Activity code: QTR002. Due date: priority: medium. Status: planning. Type: internal. Owner: Volha Petravets. Third project. Name: marketing campaign. Activity code: MKT003. Due date: priority: medium. Status: not started. Type: internal social. Owner: Volha Petravets. And that's it. Now you have two powerful databases ready to use. In the next video, I will get through how to link them step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more Notion tips. See you next time. Bye!